Okay. In last class, I had told you all that today I will be giving you all a test on gender. Okay. On page number 28, you have to match the following, right? I said I will be asking you all questions based on this. Hope all of you will have studied. How many of you all have revised this? Yes, very good. Varun has studied. Okay. But before I ask you all, I also told you that first we will revise in the class and then we'll do a few exercise and then I will come back to page number 28. Okay. Now, what is the other gender of nephew? Who can tell me what is the other gender of nephew? Nephew means very good. It is niece. Okay. Other gender of nephew is niece. What is the other gender
I
of?
can't hear, ma'am.
Yes, you all. Everyone, unmute yourself.
Ma'am,
Nobody will be able to hear.
I'm page number 1.
Okay. Kindly do not unmute.
Good morning, ma'am. The question. Page number what, ma'am?
Page number 28.
Ma'am?
Okay. Do not unmute yourself. Okay. Do not unmute yourself. Now, I will just tell you all. We'll just revise with the match the following, which I said that I will be doing today. Okay. First one is king. What is the other gender of king? The other gender of king is queen. Okay. The other gender of king is queen. Okay. Second one, what is the other gender of lion? It is?
Lioness, ma'am.
Very good. Lion, lioness. Tiger?
Tigeress, ma'am.
Very good.
Tigeress,
Tiger, tigress. Very good. Then, okay. Next. What is the other gender of wizard?
Witch.
Yes. Remember the spelling. It is not W-H-I-C-H. It is W-I-T. Okay. Next one. What is the other gender of drake? What is the other gender of drake?
Duck.
Duck. Very good. The other gender of drake is duck. Okay. Next one. Gander. Goose. Gander. Goose. Bull.
Goose.
Bull.
Ma'am,
Cow. Very good. Page number 28. Okay. Page number 28. The other gender of bull is cow. The other gender of bridegroom. What is the other gender of bridegroom?
Bride.
Bride. Horse. Yes. Horse.
Birds.
Mare. It's not bird. It is mare. Okay. Horse is mare. And then for stag.
Ma'am.
Very good. Yes. Then what is the other gender of peahen?
What is the page number, ma'am?
This is not in your book. I'm just asking you all, please do not open your book now. I will tell you when you should open. Okay, kindly do not open your books. Okay. What is the other gender of peahen?
Cock.
Is it only cock?
No, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
You're partially right.
Good morning, ma'am.
Peacock. Okay, the other gender of peahen is peacock. Okay, hen, cock. Okay. Now, in under gender, you all had learned about 4 different types of genders, right? One is masculine gender, which includes all the male, okay, male animals or people. And then second is the female, okay, feminine gender. This includes all the female people or animals. Okay, third one is the common gender. Common gender means they can either be male or they can be female. Okay, when you're able to classify them as male, then it comes under masculine. When you're able to classify them under as females, then they come under feminine. But when they refer to either one, it can either be a male or a female, they come under common gender. And then you have neuter gender. What do you mean by?
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Samar.
What do you mean by neuter gender?
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Okay, what do you mean by neuter gender? Neuter gender means you're not able to classify them as, you will not be able to classify them under male or female. Okay, for example, a chair. Can you classify chair as a male or a female? No, you cannot, right? So that will come under neuter gender. Then a mobile phone, you cannot classify them as male or female. They will come under, under neuter gender. Okay, a book also you will not be able to classify them. Okay, so the ones which you cannot classify them under either male or female, they will come under neuter gender. Okay, is that clear, children? Hope all of you have understood.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, now I'm going to ask one by one. Only that child will unmute and answer. The others kindly do not unmute otherwise. Okay. Now, first one, Kritanya, can you answer? Only Kritanya, I want only Kritanya to unmute. Okay. Kritanya, can you give me the other gender of horse?
Huh?
What is the other gender of horse? Horse? Mare. Very good. Horse, mare. M-A-R-E. Okay, mare is the other gender. Next, Harshavardhan, can you unmute yourself? Digant, I did not ask you to unmute. I want only Harshavardhan to unmute. Okay. Harshavardhan, can you give me the other gender of wizard? What is the other gender of wizard? Very good. Witch. Very good. Yes. Okay. Next, Mithun. Mithun, can you unmute yourself? And please turn on your video as well. Yes. Okay. Mithun, can you tell me what is the other gender of gander? What is the other gender of gander?
I didn't know, ma'am.
I didn't know, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Varun, can you answer? What is the other gender of gander?
Goose, ma'am.
Goose. It's not ghost, it is goose. Okay, the other gender of gander is goose. Okay, next, Kirtana. Can you unmute yourself? Kirtana, I want you to unmute yourself. Kirtana, you're still under mute only. Can you unmute? Okay, fine. Alina? Okay, Kirtana has come. Kirtana, can you give me the other gender of tiger? What is the other gender of tiger?
Tiger. Lion.
No, it is not lion. Tiger is, yes, very good. Okay, the other gender of tiger is.
Excuse me, ma'am. Your voice is speaking, ma'am.
Can the rest of you all hear me clearly?
Tiger.
Please show thumbs up. Yes, thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, then the one who is not able to hear me clearly, kindly check your internet setting. Okay. Next, Yadu Vishnu. Can you unmute yourself? Yes.
Ma'am.
Yes. Yadu Vishnu, can you tell me what is the other gender of nephew?
Niece, ma'am.
Very good. Niece. Very good. Okay. Next, can I have Jivika? Jivika, can you unmute yourself? Okay, only Jivika will unmute. Okay, the rest of you all will not mute. Okay, yes, Jivika, can you give me the other gender of stag? Okay, either Jivika, Jeevan, or Joshua. Anyone? What is the other gender of? Doe. Okay, very good, very good. Okay, doe is the other gender of stag. Okay, next one. Can I have Annie Andrea? Can you unmute yourself? Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Can you give me? Yes. Can you give me the other gender of bull? What is the other gender of bull?
Cow.
Cow. Very good. Yes, it is cow. Yes. Rakshit. Rakshit A, you can unmute. Yes. Can you give me the other gender of bridegroom? What is the other gender of bridegroom? Answer is there in the question itself. What is the other gender?
Can I answer, ma'am? Right, ma'am. Right.
It is bride. Yes, very good. Yes, answer is bride. Okay. All of you have understood what are these, the genders?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, now take your grammar books. Turn your book to page number 29. Okay, turn your books to page number 29. Okay, we have already finished worksheet 2A. We've already finished. Now next we'll move on to B. Okay, rewrite the following sentences correctly. The first one is done for you. The queen was very kind, so everybody liked him. Okay, queen is a female or a male?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes?
Female, ma'am. Female.
Yes, queen is a female. So what do you think is wrong in the sentence here?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes,
Page number, ma'am.
page number 29. Page number 29. Okay? Yes. Now, the mistake in this sentence is the queen was very kind, so everybody liked. Instead of him, it should be her because queen.
Excuse me, ma'am. What page number, ma'am? Queen's wrong, ma'am.
Page number 29.
Ma'am.
Page number 29, the ones who are asking again and again, it is page number
What page
29.
number, ma'am?
Leo Prabhu, are you able to hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Then from that time, I'm telling page number 29, again and again you're asking. You're able to hear, right? The audio is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you got which page number?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, please
Yes,
turn your book to page number 29, okay? Now, second one, worksheet B. The sentence is, the queen was very kind, so everybody liked him. Okay, but since queen is a female, you have to use the pronoun her and not him.
Her, ma'am.
Yes, so they have written the sentence correctly. The queen was very kind, so everybody liked her. Okay. Now the second one, the tiger sat down quietly and licked his injured paw. What is wrong with the sentence here? Is anything wrong with the sentence? Yes, children, is anything wrong with the sentence? There is nothing wrong with this sentence, okay? It is his injured paw only, okay? So you will write the same sentence in the dash given below, in the line below, okay? Write down. Okay, write down second one, the tiger, capital T-H-E, the. Write down. Okay, the. Leave a finger space or write it down. The tiger, T-I-G-E-R. G-E-R. The tiger.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Leo?
Will you send it in WhatsApp, ma'am?
I will be sending in WhatsApp, but I also want you to write in the class. Okay, WhatsApp, it will be sent for you to check your answers. But I want you to write in the class. Okay, the tiger sat, S-A-T, sat, S-A-T, sat.
Ma'am, which page number, ma'am?
D-O-W-N, down. Who's again asking for page number?
Roshan, ma'am.
Roshan, page number 29. Okay.
Ma'am, I write it off only when you're writing.
Yes, Bigan.
You're writing now, ma'am. I write off, ma'am.
Very good, very good. If we finish, let us give time for the others to write. Okay. Next, the tiger sat down quietly. Q-U-I-E-T-L-Y, quietly. And
Finish. Ma'am, I write full, ma'am.
And licked, L-I-C-K-E-D, licked, L-I-C-K-E-D, licked, his, H-I-S, his, H-I-S, his, injured, I-N-J-U-R-E-D, injured.
Face normal here.
Yes, Kritanya?
Ma'am, your face not here.
You can see the board, right?
Don't have space, ma'am.
You don't have space, write it small below, ma. Below that line only you write it small, okay? Okay, below, licked his injured paw. P-A-W. You have to write small, small, otherwise you will not have enough space. Okay, the first one, the second sentence, there is nothing wrong in it. You will copy down the same sentence. Yes, Shirley?
Finished, ma'am.
Yes, very good. Okay, next, third one.
Ma'am, your face not here, ma'am.
I want, as far as you can see the board, that is enough. Okay, you have to be able to see the board first. Okay, because you're writing now, right? Okay. Now, third one, Jane's nephew is a doctor. And she lives in New Zealand. 1 minute. Yes, very good. 1 minute. Okay, 1 minute. Just show a thumbs up if the rest of you are able to see the board. Yes, Kirtana can see. Chirant can see. Kritanya, are you able to see the board? Yes. Then surely you will have to check your internet settings, ma. The rest of them are able to see the board. Okay? Yes, Bigal? Yes,
okay, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Okay, now next third one. Jane's nephew is a doctor and she lives in New Zealand. What is wrong with the sentence here? Yes, instead of she.
He lives in Lucerne.
Yes, you should write he instead of she. Okay, nephew is a boy. It's a male. So now write on the third sentence. Write capital J-A-N-E apostrophe S. Jane's, capital J-A-N-E apostrophe S. Jane's nephew, N-E-W, I'm sorry, N-E-P-H-E-W, nephew. N-E-P-H-E-W. Nephew. Is I-S. Is. Okay. Is a doctor. D-O-C-T-O-R. Doctor. Okay, here nephew is a noun. Even doctor also is a noun. Okay, but doctor comes under common noun. But then why you're saying it is he? Because nephew means it's a male. Okay, so here you know that the doctor is a male. That is why you're going to change the pronoun to he. Okay, doctor and A-N-D and A-N-D and he, H-E, he lives, L-I-V-E-S, lives, L-I-V-E-S, lives, I-N, N, I-N, N, new, you will use capital N, N-E-W, new, N-E-W, new, capital N. Please use capital N because it's a proper noun. Okay, New Zealand, capital Z-E-A-L-A-N-D, New Zealand.
I don't have space, ma'am.
Please write it down if you do not have space. The ones who finished very good. The ones who have finished very good, let us give time for the others also to write. Okay? Yes. Okay, so Jane's nephew is a doctor and he lives in New Zealand. Okay, now turn your book to the next page, page number 30.
See, ma'am, I do not write, ma'am.
Right. Okay, next one. Fourth one. The doe was very timid and he ran away into the forest. Which is the noun here? The doe is a female bird. Okay, it is a female one. So you will say she ran away into the forest.
He ran away.
Okay, so you should write the doe was very timid and she ran away into the forest.
ये पूरा ऐसा लिखो यहाँ he की जगह SH she ran away into the.
Okay, take down the sentence. Write capital T-H-E, the. Capital T-H-E, the. Doe, D-O-E. The doe was, W-A-S, was very, V-E-R-Y, very.
Ma'am, the fourth answer what, ma'am?
Fourth answer I'm giving you now. The doe was very timid. T-I-M-I-D. Timid. T-I-M-I-D. Timid. And A-N-D. And A-N-D. And she. S-H-E. She. S-H-E. She ran. R-A-N. Ran.
She and
S-H-E. She ran. R-A-N. Ran. Away. A-W-A-Y. Away. Please write it small. If you do not have place, below that line itself, write it again. Okay, you can continue writing. Away. Into. I-N-T-O. Into. I-N-T-Y. I'm sorry, I-N-T-O. Into. The. T-H-E. The. T-H-E, the forest, F-O-R-E-S-T, forest, F-O-R-E-S-T, forest. Okay. Now next, fifth one. Fifth one.
Oh.
Okay. The tree is very big and she has a thick woody trunk. What is wrong with the sentence here?
She.
What should you write instead of she?
It.
It. Very good, because tree will come under neuter gender. You do not know whether it is a male or a female. Okay, so since you do not know that, it will come on the pronoun that you will use for tree is it. Okay, now write down the tree is very big. Write down capital T-H-E. The yes, very good. Write down. Okay, write down the sentence. Capital T-H-E. The T-R-E-E. Tree. T-R-E-E. Tree. I-S is. I-S is. Very. V-E-R-Y. Very.
Very.
V-E-R-Y. Very. B-I-G. Big.
Very big.
Big. And A-N-D. And. A-N-D. And. It. Instead of she, you will write it. Okay, I-T. It has. H-A-S. Has. H-A-S. Has. A thick. T-H-I-C-K. Thick. T-H-I-C-K. Thick. Comma. Woody. W-O-O-D-Y. Woody. W-O-O-D-Y. Woody. Trunk. T-R-U-N-K. Trunk. And then you have to put a full stop. Okay, the tree is very big and it has a thick woody trunk. Next, the sixth one. Sixth one, this is my new ball and I like playing with her. What is wrong with the sentence here? Which is the noun in this sentence, children? Which is the noun? Ball is the noun. Very good. Now, ball, will it come under? Okay, now under which gender will the ball come? Will it come? Okay, now ball is the noun here. You need to identify which gender it comes under. Does it come under masculine or feminine? Yes, it comes under neuter gender. Because neuter gender. Neuter gender. You will use for it will be neuter gender. Yes, it is neuter gender. Which pronoun will you use? Will you use her? Is her correct? Excuse me. Very good. You have to use the pronoun it. Okay, now take down the sixth sentence. This. Write down capital T-H-I-S. This. Okay, write down capital T-H-I-S. This. is, is, this is my, 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 this is my, new, N-E-W, new, N-E-W, new, ball, B-A-L-L, ball, and A-N-D, and A-N-D, and capital I, and I, like, L-I-K-E, like, L-I-K-E, like, playing, P-L-A-Y, P-L-A-Y-I-N-G, playing, P-L-A-Y-I-N-G, playing, with, W-I-T-H, with, I-T, it. Okay, so instead of her, you're going to use it. Okay, did you all understand this, what we did today?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, have you all completed till here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, the ones who are writing, you can continue to write.